Hi guys, I just want to share a quick tip in regards to using the Jones Road Miracle Balm. I'm seeing a lot of videos where people are talking about it because I was curious to see like different swatches for the other balms. And everybody's saying that it's like sheer or that it's not like the color's not there. If you do get it, it's not sheer. Yes, it's sheer if you kind of go like this. Right, if you just swipe your finger at the top like that, nothing comes out. That makes for a nice highlighter. If you just go like that. The way you're supposed to use it, you're supposed to break the seal. That's why mine has like this little indent here. So I will break the seal in another spot just for you guys, so you guys can see how you're supposed to use it. So you're gonna, you see it? You're gonna get your finger and you're gonna like kind of warm press and you're gonna push just like that. You don't need that much. Put some of it back. Right? Now you have it. Now there's color there. And now you have color. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. For those of you that were on the fence, you're not sure how to use it, that's how you use it. You have to break the seal. And this is Tawny in case you were curious. And just take it and press it on your cheek. Just like that. See, now I have color. Color, no color. All right, I hope you guys found this helpful.